In this quick video, I will show you everything you need to know about the so-called RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index and is a pretty good indicator that you can use when crypto trading to see if the price is currently overbought or oversold. To activate it in TradingView, you simply can go up here to Indicators, type in RSI, and then click right here on Relative Strength Index. Then you will see this small window pop up down here where you will see the RSI. If you double tap on here, you can also switch up the colors and the thickness of the line, for example, and then you will see this RSI down here. And the RSI is always a number between 0 and 100, and it will show you if the price is overbought or oversold. So if the RSI is very high, up here, higher than 70, up to 80 maybe, then you will see that the price is pretty much overbought, a little bit too high, and is likely to go down and cool down a bit. If you check in here in the price, you can also see here at that point the price was pretty much overbought, and after it went down. Another point, if you can see, here is a spike down. The price was pretty low too, and then went up afterwards. Same, for example, in here, RSI was very low, price after it went up. Here again, price was very overbought in the RSI, and the price move after that was down. So you can pretty much go through the chart at any point where the RSI is pretty low or pretty high and see what the price did afterwards. It's a pretty good indicator to see if the price is actually a little bit overheated and can help you understand what is the most likely price move for the future. Of course, it doesn't work all the time. It's no guarantee that it has to behave that way, but still, that's how the RSI works, and it can be a good support when trading. If you're looking for the best crypto trading exchange, make sure to check out the links down in the video description. You will always get the best sign-up bonus there too. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.